Hi, my name is Florian. I'm the CEO and founder of Spreadly, and I want to give you a quick tour of our new features for email signature management, where you can create email signatures for your organization within minutes and distribute them in seconds. I've already opened up Spreadly here on my end. You've seen the overview for our organization. We have set up two email signatures, Spreadly Default and Template 1. You can also just simply create a new email. If you click on the Create button, you can give it a name and then scroll through the list of all the different templates we provide. So you don't have to get started from blank. You can also choose any of those existing templates here already filled in with your example data, so you can get started straight ahead. I have already created an email signature for our organization. It's called the Spreadly Default email. In here, I want to give you some quick benefits of our editor compared to other solutions regarding simplicity and also regarding the feature set. First and foremost, as you can see, you can use all your user variables you're having when you import your users, either preferred from Entra ID or also any other HR solution, if there the data quality of your employee data is better. And you can use those informations within the template, as you can see on the left within the editor, user first name in the first row, and then user position down below, a little bit smaller font and in gray. And on the right side, you can preview directly this email signature. And for example, if I delete the last name, you see all the different variables available for the users with an avatar, URL, city, country, even custom fields you can define, department, external ID, phone, position, and even more additional fields to offer. Next to that, we do not only offer information about the user, we also provide information about groups the users into, so you can determine and show different banners, for example, for the sales team in comparison to the marketing team. You can also check for specific daytime ranges when the email is sent. So if an emails are sent during the Christmas season, you can add a Christmas banner, or during the Easter season, add some Easter wishes in the end, or you can even use random variables to do some random A/B testing with different banners for your email, different promotion, what works the best, what is the best to go with the users. So all those additional information are provided here as well. I will then switch back to user first name. And as you can also see within here in the email, you can check for existence and for plausibility of specific variables. For example, you can check whether or not an email is external. In those cases, I've checked it on the top already. If an email is external, then we include the email and phone name. And if an email is not a reply, we then also include the banner down here, as you can see. But this is then only excluded if we kind of like send a new email. If we are replying to existing email conversation, instead of stacking up with banners and legal notices, we just omit those things. So we can also put in show an example message thread here. And if the email isn't reply, it just looks like this. So we can also then check off the reply, and there we see that now the full email banner is shown if it's non-reply, but the recipient is still external. And for example, I can also switch and preview the email for Lucas. He's got different email address, different phone number than mine, but the rest of the email remains the same. So by this, with the variables, placeholders, and logic we can offer here, you can make varieties of different of email signatures just within one editor with auto completion available for you, set up in seconds. And for users, it's straight simple. If they go to Outlook, if they write a new email, the email signature will be all downloaded automatically. In my case, I have now selected a different template as shown before, but no worries, I can switch back to my default template anytime. And for example, if I now write an email to an external recipient, it attaches as described also the missing information with the banner down below.